if I want this little tomato on there or not. It does add a lot more color though to the board, so I think I will go ahead and overlap it over here. So just make sure you put the buttercream under it so it stays attached to the board. And now French fry time! Yay! You just have to do the same thing, put a little bit of buttercream, and sometimes I'll go ahead and secure it to the cake also. And these, you just want these kind of all over the place. That's the nice thing about doing these ahead of time, because see, that one just kind of stands up on its own. I don't know if I like that one or not. And right here I can see the buttercream, so in a little bit I'll go ahead and I'll take a paintbrush and I'll get that out of there, unless I could go ahead and cover it with another French fry. You can tell right away when you put the fry on there, you can tell whether it's going to move around or not. If it still feels like it's moving around, that means you don't have enough buttercream there. So just add some more buttercream. And then we can always put a few more of these onions down here if we want. Maybe I'll just put one over here. And just kind of take a look. I think I'll put a couple fries here. There we go. Alright. Have one back here. Just kind of fill in the area. If there's anything that you need to cover, like maybe right in there, there's some crumbs. It is the back of the cake, but we have another pickle. So what the heck? You know what we could even do here? We could lean this up against the cake like this. Okay, we're getting there. Woo! What's left? What do we need? Yes, our olives. So all you have to do is go ahead and pop those right down in the center. And voila!